this.
Yeah. So before gamification, Vienna is one of the first places that coffee was introduced into Western Europe through the Turks. They came to visit us twice. Yeah, a long time ago, almost 500 years ago and 400 years ago. And they left, when they didn't manage to conquer Vienna, they left some of their goods behind. And that's how one of the reasons why coffee was introduced into Europe. There was also over Spain and other areas. So one of the traditions in Austrian culture is the coffee house culture, right? Which has a very particular user experience, right? Foreign to a lot of Americans. The waiter's not going to get on your nerves and ask you, do you want anything else, or are you ready to pay the bill and get the hell out? It's not about turnover.
You can read the newspapers for hours just with a Endspinner or a mocha.
So when Starbucks came to Austria, a lot of people said they don't stand a chance, right? But they did, because they offered a new experience. It didn't kill coffee houses.
No.
But it offered an alternative, right?
Yes.
So that's also maybe understanding, if you're looking from a user experience, there's a new generation out there. They travel. They went to Starbucks in New York. They thought it was cool. Actually, quite honestly, I think, and if you ask somebody from Starbucks what they sell, they won't say coffee.
No, it's a lifestyle.
It's a lifestyle. It's a customer experience. You know, the whole, silly as it sounds,
writing the name on your,
misspelling it, or whatever it is, but also they have very systems, restaurant management oriented. They realize that, you know, if you're looking at the value chain, right? There's productive and non-productive time. And the non-productive time between you ordering and waiting for the order to be fulfilled. How am I going to keep you busy, right? Well, number one, they offer wireless LAN so you can do your brainwashing thing, or I've got food, right? I thought you sell coffee. We'll sell whatever you're willing to buy.
Yes.
Quite honestly, if they thought that it would make sense to sell socks, they would sell socks.
Actually, I think they did.
Did they?
I'm not sure. I think it's like this winter edition.
Yeah. So that's it's about consciously not only having this transactional thing. I got a product, it costs this much, buy it or leave it.
Yes.
It's about, listen, let's have an interaction. Because
what really makes you
what tickles you? What keeps you coming back, right?
Yeah.